Today, as the wave of digital transformation sweeps across all industries, many enterprises need to integrate real-time data into visualization systems. Traditional secondary development involves lengthy cycles and high technical barriers. The implementation costs for many simple IoT scenarios remain prohibitively high. To address this pain point, HDplayer's new version officially launches the dynamic data feature. Data binding and display can be accomplished with simple configuration. High-efficiency data processing mechanisms enable real-time capture and reflection of data changes. Ensure the LED display synchronizes updates with on-site information. You can also preset commands based on data status to automatically switch display content and styles. Dynamic data features are typically used for information dissemination at transportation hubs. For example, real-time high-speed rail station schedules display train numbers, departure or arrival times, and other details. And the most common parking lot vacancy guidance system. Provide real-time updates on available parking spaces and guide users through customizable visual cues. Additionally, there are real-time market data boards from various financial institutions, and environmental monitoring data formulas and other use cases. The dynamic data feature offers robust data compatibility. Both Modbus data sources and network data sources can be easily integrated. Open other settings in Control Panel. Data source settings. Set the basic parameters. Add the Modbus parameters. Finally, click Cover. Network data source access is the same. Add network data source. Add web address. Refresh. Then select the data content you want to display. After completing the setup, add dynamic data. Select the data source. Insert para. After setting the display style, you can send the program. Select Network Data Source. After inserting the para, set the style and send the program.